dusty, abandoned highway stretches into the distance, shimmering under the brutal midday sun, a forgotten ribbon of asphalt. To the side, a weathered sign for Sanders Cafe stands forlornly, its paint peeling like ancient skin. The bypass road whispers of a time before the modern, bustling interstate, a relic of forgotten journeys. The scene evokes a profound sense of loss and obsolescence, a stark testament to the relentless march of time. In a small, cluttered apartment, Harlan Sanders, age 65, sits at a worn kitchen table, his face etched with a lifetime of toil. His gnarled hands meticulously count out a meager pension check, each movement revealing years of hardship. The lines on his face tell a silent story of arduous labor and the bitter sting of unfulfilled hopes. The humble room, filled with accumulated clutter, silently echoes the profound weight of his financial strain. Young Harlan, face etched with frustration, clutches dry earth in his hands, a barren field stretching endlessly before him. A smoke-stained Harlan, now a firefighter, stares defeated at the smoldering ruins of a building, his hopes reduced to ash. As a streetcar conductor, Harlan's eyes are hawk, staring blankly ahead, a void reflecting his inner despair. Harlan, a small business owner, watches helplessly as a closed sign is hung, sealing the fate of his dreams. In a steamy, cramped kitchen, the air hums with the scent of herbs and sizzling oil, a culinary sanctuary. A younger Harlan, his brow furrowed in deep concentration, meticulously sprinkles spices onto a batch of fried chicken. A determined glint shines in his eyes, reflecting the fiery passion of a chef perfecting his masterpiece. He works with an unwavering focus, each movement a testament to his relentless pursuit of culinary perfection. Sunlight bathes a bustling gas station diner, its vibrant energy a stark contrast to the desolate future. Travelers, their faces beaming with contentment, feast on Harlan's fried chicken at weathered outdoor tables. The air, thick with the inviting aroma of crispy batter and spices, promises a taste of pure satisfaction. Each satisfied expression paints a vivid picture of initial success, a memory soon to fade against the highway's emptiness. The blazing sun beats down on a deserted stretch of rural Kentucky road, the asphalt cracked and broken. The road, a ribbon of neglect, stretches endlessly into the hazy horizon, a testament to forgotten dreams. The oppressive silence of the vast landscape is deafening, a stark, hollow echo of absence. Every crack in the pavement tells a story of wear and tear, a path less traveled, now abandoned. The air shimmers with heat, distorting the view, blurring the lines between reality and fading hope. This desolate road, a symbol of dashed hopes, lies under an unforgiving sky, waiting for nothing. Harlan gazes at a sepia-toned photograph of his gas station diner, bustling with customers under bright lights. A wistful expression softens his face, hinting at cherished memories of a vibrant past. His eyes close slowly, lost in a moment of deep thought, then reopen with a steely, resolute gaze. A spark of an idea ignites in his eyes, a flicker of determination visible in the dim apartment light. Under the harsh sun, Harlan, dressed in his pristine white suit, stands beside a rusty old car. With meticulous care, he arranges cooking supplies in the car's worn trunk, each item placed with precision. His hands secure a small, portable pressure cooker, a crucial tool for the journey ahead. Harlan's gaze is fixed, resolute, reflecting a deep determination for the unpredictable road. The air crackles with anticipation, hinting at a challenging journey across America, a testament to his unwavering spirit. Inside a rusty old car, Harlan struggles to sleep, his body contorted in the cramped driver's seat. The car is parked in a desolate rest stop, shrouded in the silence of the night. A single, distant streetlight casts long, eerie shadows that dance across the car's interior. The dim light dramatically highlights Harlan's solitary figure, emphasizing his isolation. His uncomfortable posture speaks volumes about the arduous nature of his journey. Every shadow and every creak of the car underscores the profound loneliness of his quest. Harlan, in his pristine white suit, approaches a stern-faced chef, a silent plea in his eyes, met with an unyielding shake of the head. In a bustling diner, Harlan attempts to speak, but the owner waves him away dismissively, his proposal lost in the din. A prim restaurateur offers Harlan a polite but firm no, her tight smile, a mask of unwavering refusal. The rejections pile up, each one an invisible weight. Yet Harlan's posture remains unbowed, his gaze unwavering. Despite the mounting refusals, Harlan's spirit remains unbroken, his resolve burning brighter with every closed door. In a diner kitchen thick with the scent of frying oil, Harlan, in a crisp white apron, faces a skeptical crowd. The restaurant owner stands with arms crossed, while cooks display boredom and open unimpressed looks. Harlan meticulously coats chicken pieces in a bowl, his movements precise and practiced. He declares, "And here, gentlemen, is where the magic truly happens." Harlan reveals the perfect blend of 11 herbs and spices, a secret passed down through generations. Under the unforgiving midday sun, Harlan emerges from a diner, his shoulders heavy with unspoken defeat. A flicker of resolve ignites in his eyes as he straightens his posture, drawing a deep, fortifying breath. His gaze sweeps across the street, the weight of countless rejections etched on his determined face. He presses onward, a solitary figure against the relentless backdrop of his desperate quest. In the diner office, Harlan faces Mr. Anderson, the air thick with anticipation. Mr. Anderson's thoughtful expression is a stark contrast to Harlan's past rejections. A glimmer of possibility hangs in the air, a fragile hope after endless disappointments. Harlan watches, a silent plea in his eyes, as Mr. Anderson ponders his fate. The cramped diner kitchen is thick with the tantalizing aroma of freshly fried chicken, promising culinary delight. Mr. Anderson, a man of discerning taste, takes a delicate, almost ritualistic bite of Harlan's creation. His eyes, initially critical, widen imperceptibly, a silent revelation dawning as a slow, knowing smile begins to form. A single firm nod from Mr. Anderson seals the verdict. Yes. Harlan's face, a mask of raw anticipation, transforms into pure relief and triumphant joy. A rapid-fire montage begins, flashing through iconic KFC locations across the globe. A vintage American drive-thru bursts into view, a nostalgic echo of a bygone era. Then, a bustling Asian city street, vibrant with a modern KFC franchise, pulses with energy. Finally, a quaint European square hosts an older KFC, red and white buckets a global symbol of success. Under the bright sun, a bustling KFC restaurant hums with life, a beacon of culinary delight. Colonel Sanders, Harlan, stands proudly outside, a living legend amidst the vibrant scene. Happy customers, clutching buckets of his famous chicken, gather around him, their faces beaming. A warm, contented smile plays on Colonel Sanders' lips, reflecting a lifetime of dedication and triumph. The air vibrates with joy and success, a testament to his enduring legacy in culinary artistry. This vibrant tableau paints a vivid picture of success, a dream realized in every golden, crispy bite.